Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on today's video. If you are looking for some laundry motivation, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be washing, drying, and putting away several loads of laundry. If you're doing laundry with me, grab your baskets. If you're here for motivation to use later, get comfy, and let's get this done.
Don't wanna be shy.
So here is what I'm working with today, 2 laundry baskets, one of which you can see is clearly overloaded. Leave me a message and let me know how many loads of laundry you think I will have done by the end of this video.
Out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
These laundry sheets are by Earthbreeze. I've been using them for about a year and I really do like them. Besides the fact that they get my clothes really clean, they are great for transporting laundry detergent when you need it on the road. Our family hikes and we've taken some trips that are up to a month long, which means we have to wash clothes once or twice while we're out of town. And it's just so much easier to take these laundry sheets than it is to take some liquid detergent that might spill. Ask me how I know.
I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
These white washcloths are the ones that I use to clean my face, and as you can see there's plenty of dirt and oils in them, so I'm going to use some borax and try to get out the stains.
I don't need you, then why so settled? I withdrew, still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand. You got me going, you don't understand. You got me going.
Let me take this moment to make a proper introduction. Hi, I'm T, a married mom of 5. 4 are young adults who are not in the home anymore and we're still raising our 10-year-old. We also have a brand new granddaughter. She's just a little bit over a week old at the time of this recording. On this channel, you will see cleaning motivation, DIY home improvement, and room makeovers. If this is something that interests you, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing so far. If you are a returning viewer or subscriber, thank you, thank you, thank you. Your continuing support means more than you'll ever know.
When I'm with you, I feel different, like I'm brand new, less ignoring. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your hand. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand.
So let's dive deeper into laundry for just a bit. Laundry is one of the most satisfying chores that I get to do. I do know that that might seem weird to some, but I love washing and drying and putting away my clothes because I like that when I open the drawers or when I go into my closet, I have more of a fuller supply, if you can call it that, a fuller wardrobe. I can see pretty much everything I have if it's all clean. However, I do not have a regular laundry schedule. I tend to wait until the barometer for me is when I'm starting to run out of gym clothes, or at least the ones I like to wear the most because I have a ton of gym clothes. I work out 7 days a week, so that means 7 workout tops, 7 workout bottoms. If I do not wash clothes for 2 weeks, then that means I have 14 tops and 14 bottoms to wash, and I'm getting much lower on clean gym clothes. But that's kind of what I use as my barometer as to when I wash. I don't have a schedule, and I'm wondering if you have a schedule for washing your laundry. If you do, leave a comment below and let me know how you decide what's the best time or what's the best day for you to wash your clothes. If you do not have a schedule, what kind of barometer do you use? I use the gym clothes availability one, but I'm interested to find out how often other people wash their clothes. If you are enjoying this video, please like, share, and comment. These activities really help my channel.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break.
As I watch this portion of the video play back, I can't help but think of spring because of all the bright colors that I have there. Yesterday it was about 70 degrees here, and today we had a high of about, I think it was 55 or 56, but that was actually the temperature overnight. It dropped down to about freezing around 5 or 6 o'clock, but I've had a taste of spring already. I'm just ready for winter to be over. We didn't have a particularly difficult winter. We actually had a couple of tiny snowfalls. We had about a week or week and a half of really cold weather, but otherwise it's been pretty mild. What's the weather like where you are? Is it pretty mild? Is it really cold still? Are you kind of in the middle like we are? I think we're calling this, I don't know, fool's spring, because it's not real spring yet. But whatever it is, I was enjoying the weather that we had yesterday. Today not so much, tomorrow not so much again, but then it starts to warm up again. And if I remember correctly, we'll be around 70 degrees again in a couple of days. So I'm really excited for that weather that's headed our way.
You told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
If you're still watching, thank you so much for choosing to stick around. Please leave a t-shirt or laundry basket emoji to let me know that you're still here.
Understands the commitment of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
Earlier in the video, I asked you to leave a comment to let me know how many loads of laundry you thought I had for the day. The total number of laundry loads that I had to wash, dry, and put away was 4. And now that I'm all done with that, it is time to relax. I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to make a cup of hot chocolate before I joined my husband and our 10-year-old outside on the deck.
As we're sitting here in silence, all I'm hearing is the rain. Don't mean to be so quiet, but there's nothing left to say. It's been going for a long time, but it's hard to cut the ties when there's no turning back, no. And we're saying goodbye, trying to make it work, and I gave it all.
Well, we got it done. Thank you for following along as I tackled 4 loads of laundry. If you enjoyed this video but have not given it a big thumbs up, please consider doing so. Also, if you'd like to see this kind of content in the future, please click the subscribe button, and when you do, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future uploads. Until the next time, stay blessed.
Fighting for love. Used to be the perfect lovers, used to be the closest friends. I didn't want no other, but this man has got a hand. It's been going for a long time. We've been living in a lie when there's no turning back, no. And we're saying goodbye, trying to make it work, and I gave it all. I've been fighting, fighting, fighting for love, that I got nothing, nothing, nothing from. Try to fit in, but this can't be right. We are at a point where we just can't pretend things will be alright if we just start again. I've been fighting, fighting, fighting for love, fighting for love. This is the way it's gotta be, no other way for you and me. Once it's over, too late to once again being close to